So you would like to purchase a variety of parts. Great! Stocking parts at multiple warehouses around the world makes shipping fast. But it is not possible to stock all of the hundreds of thousands of parts in every location. At RockAuto.com, as you add parts to your cart, our website is always actively working to minimize shipping cost and time. You may want to also help minimize shipping cost by watching for the truck icons as you select parts. Once you have added at least one part to your shopping cart, all the other parts that can ship from the same warehouse as the parts already in your cart will have a truck icon next to them. This means you can add the part to your shopping cart, and it will ship from one of the same warehouses as the parts already in the cart. If parts in the shopping cart are coming from multiple warehouses, then truck icons in the shopping cart will be labeled with letters, indicating these parts come from warehouse locations identified with the placeholders A and B. Below the shopping cart, enter your zip code or postal code into the postal code field. After you enter your postal code, specific shipping costs and delivery method for each location A and B automatically displays. If all the items in the shopping cart can come from the same warehouse, no truck icons appear in the shopping cart. There is a second tool in the catalog called Choose from Me to minimize cost. You can use this tool to automatically minimize both part cost and shipping cost. If you are more interested in low cost than the part brand you're ordering, you may choose to have our website decide which brand is your best choice. The program will consider several factors, including the cost of separate shipments, the price of the parts, and the distance from the warehouse to you. To utilize this feature, check the Choose for Me to minimize cost box at the upper right corner of the part category you're interested in ordering. If you're using a mobile device, you'll find this box at the bottom of the part category you're interested in ordering. Let's say you would like to buy an oil filter, but would be happy with any number of brands. Once you find the oil filters available for your vehicle, check the Choose for Me to minimize cost box, and then check the alternate box next to each part you would be okay with. Click Add Part for any of the parts you checked. The selected parts will be grouped together in your shopping cart, where you can specify the overall quantity you need of that part type. The catalog will gray out the parts and prices not used, so you can easily see which items will actually ship. As you resume shopping and adding more parts to your cart, our system will continue to select the parts in your Choose for Me to minimize cost part groups that can best ship with the other parts in the shopping cart to help keep shipping cost low. When grouping parts, create a new group for each unique part type. For example, if you're ordering 4 struts, 2 front and 2 rear, a separate group must be created for each part type. So you'll want to add the front struts to the shopping cart and then go back and add the rear struts. Made a mistake? No problem. You can easily remove one item from the list of alternates by clicking on the red Remove arrow for an individual item, or you can remove an entire category by clicking on the shopping cart with a red Remove arrow for that category. We encourage you to try out these features. Have additional questions? Visit our help page by clicking the green question mark located here on rockauto.com or here on your mobile device.
All the parts your car